Hi, I'm Priyanka Chopra. If you're looking for a majestic lifestyle, look no beyond. I think the beauty of Mantra Majestic is the classiness of everything that they provide. It's beautiful designs, it is elegant, and at the same time, with all of it coming together, it's dignified. There's a certain eliteness to the properties by Mantra Majestic, which is what I really like about them.
According to the concept, we have selected the clothes. The detailing goes to the shoes as well as everything whatever is used in pictures, right from trees, petals, the chandeliers and everything whatever we have in mind. That is how it's covered.
I think a dream property or a dream home should be a place which you want to come back home to, you know. It has to call you when you're at work. You should feel like going back home and relaxing in your own space, and I think that's what a dream property should be.
Atlantis was a concept, and we are designing homes for the new India. And for Atlantis we designed a theme, and we decided a theme. So our theme was Dubai based. So all of things what you get to see in a new Dubai, we wanted to bring in Atlantis. So like if you see the palms, the date palms are the ones which you see in Dubai, and then you've got those sandstone structures, and those structures come all the way from Bali. We source all over from all over world. Yeah, we at Majestic Mantra do all the things differently. Our homes are young, vibrant and new. And the celebrity on board helps us to show what we do differently. And the status of our homes is the status of a celebrity. So we kind of match our homes with the celebrity status. And that's why Priyanka, definitely. She matches us there.
I think what makes a home for me is my family. And the fact that when I come back, I know I'm safe. The feeling of being protected.
Highlands Homes, as in it is a product which we have created in PCMC in particular, wherein a lot of infrastructure is available, a lot of cement steel can be seen, but no greenery, no water can be observed anywhere. So what we thought about is these people working in industries, factories, IT hubs, sitting on their offices and their workstations do not really get the feel of the environment, the nature. So once they are to their residence where they would like to relax, this is the property where we have created, which will give them the serenity and nice feel of a home and house. So this is what this thought about Highland Homes.
I think besides it being your home, it's definitely a fantastic investment.
There's a difference between a house and a home. So what we give is a home, and what people buy is a house. So there is a difference. So the basic difference is when you come into your home, you should feel that you feel blessed. You should feel better. So when you come in Majestic Mantra Home, the difference is that we create all the ambience first in place.
At present, we are talking about at least a 5 million to 10 million square feet of under development projects, wherein post my cities, what we talk about townships, we are talking about a huge inventory, we are talking about a huge development in the real estate segment.